Hey, so I know you freelancer, job finder, and you can make money online. So this video I am tell with you all the reason to you can buy Vidproposal software and you can make money online with Vidproposal software. How to use Vidproposal software? In this video, all your doubts clear now. So okay. So first is video, like this video and subscribe my channel to the any videos you are watch now. So okay, and so start now. So first is what is your requirement to you buy Vidproposal software. The first is you are a freelancer, second is you are job finder, and third is you are work from home in world. So okay, so this software to you create a world class video proposal how to create in the full demo video of Vidproposal on the link description you are watch now. Okay, so after then you can make Vidproposal. And what is the platform to you start freelancing is Fiverr, Freelancer, and Truelancer, and the last is Upwork. So these 4 platforms to use and start freelancing. So this industry is work on the client basis. You can find projects and click on projects and send your proposal. In the proposal you can send your video proposal to client. Is impression is very well. So this is to client reach out to you and they accept your proposal probability is 54 to 75% up. So okay, so this is until you can buy video proposal to you can make video proposal is very well. So this is your doubt clear. And the last is I am telling with you, so you can buy the video proposal. So okay, so in the description link on the get instant access of the video proposal in best price. So this video proposal of the subscription is $45 to $50. Okay, but this is a lifetime. After then 2 months you can buy monthly payments. So okay, so the doubt is clear. And the last is other bonuses will share with you in the next video, and you can make money online in the video proposal. So okay, so this season you can buy video proposal and you can buy video proposal in the best bonus and best discounts link in below. Buy and check out now today. And for other products buying in the links description, buy now today. And after then you can create your website. Okay, so for a website you can buy web hosting, domain, and other. So this reason too I can tell you with the 40 to 15% off on or hosting. For hosting consultation services absolutely free of cost, and the link is description. Check out now and register now your domain. Okay, so thank you. And after that you can start digital marketing and you can grow your business and run advertising on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anything. So what is the advertising best for your business? So this is question on all of the mind. So this season 2 I am start payable consulting service of the rupees cost of 500. So this is to create a link in below. You can check out and register now your advertising. And other is okay, so other is you can learn on the affiliate marketing. So this is I can create a free of cost ebook for you of the rupees 300 free of cost for my YouTube family, and the link is below. and you can download today's and learn on the affiliate marketing. And my social media follow-up link is in the description. Check out and today's follow now. And then last is you can buy anything. So this isn't why I can create all new group in the software buyers. So you can connect with me in the link is description, my Facebook link. So joint group today and your post sent me today. And for other technical support, mail on link is description, mail and collect your answer. So tell them the great day and always keep smiling. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and for other videos subscribe this channel and bell icon click now. So bye bye.